Hey teachers, hi everyone. Whether you're a teacher teaching in the classroom or online or you both, we all know sometimes your passion doesn't always pay the bills. What if you can earn extra $500 to $1,000 every month without losing your sanity? The last episode of Managing Your Finances, the last episode we talked about the natural savers, we talked about the spenders, and then we talked about the vibe budgeters. A lot of people made a comment in the comment section that they were vibe budgeters or they have vibe budgeters. Well, that is understandable. We are talking about side hustles you can do as a teacher or even if you're not a teacher, because for you to be able to save, you should have enough for you to be able to save. Actually, you have got 5 realistic side hustles that you can embark on as a teacher, and I have some treats for your eye as well. So number 1 side hustle you can embark on is online tutoring. You can embark on online tutoring. Can be an online tutor aside your main job. Yes, there are websites that employs or recruit teachers for online tutoring, especially for subjects like mathematics, sciences, in fact, some other subjects you might not think of. So if you're good with online tutoring, why not jump on that offer? And then you can also own a profile for yourself, a social media profile. You can create one for yourself. You can also have a center by yourself instead of working for another person, or you can work for someone else to get experience, and then you can own a social media profile for yourself, and whereby you charge premium rates. The second side also you can embark on is selling PowerPoint, worksheets, and lesson plans. This should be the one you created yourself, no plagiarism, please. So selling PowerPoint, selling lesson plan, selling worksheets. There are online websites whereby we get resources as teachers, and these are created by people. These are created by some people whereby you pay every year for you to be able to access all these online resources like worksheets, like PowerPoint, or lesson plans as well. So yes, you can create one for yourself. You can have an app whereby teachers will go to get their resources for their class, for the topics. It might be on science, it might be on English, it might be on mathematics, it might be on any subject you are good at, and then teachers would subscribe to this app. The third one is freelance writing or curriculum designers. There are teachers are natural communicators, and there are websites, there are online websites whereby they are looking for teachers that can write, that can be their writer, that can design curriculum. Just like the previous one I talked about apps, there are applications that are actually in search of teachers that can create worksheets. Yes, there are applications whereby several teachers or different teachers come together to create worksheets, PowerPoint, and videos for other teachers to use in the classroom. So yes, freelance writing and educational and curriculum designing can actually fetch you extra income as a teacher. Okay, let's have a quick break. Teacher to teacher, or let's say one-to-one. Have you had a long day with tired eyes or an headache from staring at screens all day? That is why I have switched to Fytoo eyewear. This is an affordable, stylish, and best of all, they block blue light. So this keeps your eyes fresh, whether you're grading papers or you're creating PowerPoint and lesson plans. So the fourth side also you can do, as you can see, I have just influenced for a brand, which is Fytoo eyewear. The fourth side also you can do as a teacher. I am a teacher and I'm also a social media content creator. I am also a UGC creator. I am also a digital creator. I am a digital marketer. Whatever they are doing online that involves marketing and all that, I do that. So I influence for brand. You can also do this. This is another side also. You can influence for brand, get paid, make content, do user-generated content, get paid. You can have your own social media, like your own YouTube channel, like your whole like Instagram channel. You can be a TikTok affiliate marketer. There a lot of things are going on TikTok, Facebook, and all that. And then that is a side also, because that will bring an extra income for you. Affiliate marketing, a lot of people are cashing out from affiliate marketing on TikTok. Facebook also pays. So yeah, I know you might not be able to be on this platform at the same time because you have your passion, which is teaching, or you have your passion, which is your job. Now I'm talking to everyone generally now. So this is not only for teachers. You have your passion, which is your main job, but you also have passion for that your side also as well, because you need more income to be able to save. Remember, we're talking about managing our finances. So yes, you can also be a social media influencer. That is number 4 side also. So one is scoring or remote grading. Companies like Pearson, like Edexcel, and some other companies as well, like ETS, hire teachers to grade or mark exam papers for them. Yes, this is remote, and you can also embark on this as a side also. You get paid. And the last one is voiceover. You already have that amazing teacher voice. You know, with teachers, we are vocal. Yes, as you can see, I'm not even with my microphone, but this is loud. Teachers, we are vocal. So that voice, that's your voice. You can actually use it. Some companies need you to make voiceovers for them. That amazing voice can actually brings money for you. Yes, you can embark on doing voiceovers for companies in which your face will not even show if you are the shy type. So voiceovers, yes, that can bring you extra income. Come to the end of today's episode of managing your finances, and we've talked about side hustles for teachers. Even if you're not a teacher, this can also help you. I will see you on the next episode. Don't forget to shop at Fytoo Eyewear. These are amazing eyewears. Shop with the discount code for you to get 10% discount on your first order. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.